So inshallah in this course I am going to teach the book of Asbab al-Nuzul by Maulana Hamiduddin al-Farahi. Asbab al-Nuzul means the causes of revelation. When the Quran was revealed to the Prophet ﷺ and his community, they did not have the full text. So to look at that and connection and context, they used to get a few verses, on certain occasions, and they used to understand the meaning. So how did they understand the meaning? They did not understand the meaning because they have got the full surah. They understood the meaning by the occasion. So the occasion tells you that this is what Allah wants me to do. So that was very important for their community to understand the occasion and causes of revelation. It helps them to understand the meaning of those things. Now in our time we have got the book, so we can look in the context, beginning, connection. But is that enough? Not necessarily. Sometimes we also need to know those causes, so then we know when it was revealed, how it was understood by the Prophet and his companions, how they acted. If we know those conditions, it will help me also to develop my understanding of the Quran. So that's why the people always have been writing books on Asbab al-Nuzul, the causes of revelation. There's a book written by Al-Wahidi and other people, and also all the books of tafsir. They discuss the cause of revelation. Sometimes for the same verse you find more than one cause of revelation, 2, 3, maybe even more than that. Sometimes you can find a cause of revelation which is not right, it is just wrong. So this has been happening. So people always have been interested to understand what cause means. So this has been discussed very nicely by Allama Imam Ibn Taymiyyah in his book Muqaddimah fi Usul al-Tafsir. And he mentions the meaning of the cause of revelation, 2 meanings. And that was very good explanation. So after that everybody just copies it. Ibn Kathir, Suyuti, everybody copies that. Then Waliullah Dehlawi comes, Shah Dehlawi, he expands it a little bit more. But still in the same way as Ibn Taymiyyah has done. Then Mawlana Farahi comes and he develops the idea of cause of revelation much better way really. And his discovery is, it is not the cause of revelation. It should be named Sha'anun Nuzul, the condition of the revelation. The condition is which the surah or the verse was revealed. It's not a 1 or 2 story, it's a whole condition. So that he wrote in his book Asbab al-Nuzul. But it is more complicated than that. So inshallah in this course, it's a very small book, but we'll learn first the ideas of the people before Mawlana Farahi, the ideas of Ibn Taymiyyah, the ideas of Waliullah Dehlawi, and then we compare with what Mawlana Farahi has, how he has developed to understand. Inshallah, this course will strengthen our understanding of the Quran, but at the same time also this one important science of the Quran, Ulum al-Quran. Asbab al-Nuzul is one of the part of the Ulum al-Quran, so this should be understood properly. So that is our intention, inshallah, to teach you through this course.